beautifully bowled. Great Yorker, but toughened us in considerable amount of pain there. That was a very, very swift delivery.
Well, it was swift and it was swinging in right onto his toe. And it didn't get him out, but it's to be hoped it didn't.
Just too quick for him. A Yorker, the famous Waqar Younis Yorker. Played, just look at the length of this delivery. He's just clamped down on it, a slight inside edge. I detect the...
They bowled him. That's exactly what I'm all about. See that again. Beautiful swinging into him. Waqar Younis ने back to खेलना चाहता था गेंद, थोड़ी सी इन स्विंग दीजिए वाइट. फिर से देखिए. मैंने कभी तुम्हें तक later on. Yorked. Very fine Yorker. That's the replay. Swinging in around middle stump. Given no chance. This is now coming in to bowl to Waqar. There's the replay. Swinging in. Yorker. Can't be a better ball than this one.
Against Younis after tea. And he's bowled him straight under the bat. The absolute perfect Yorker.
The Waqar Younis autograph Yorker. Straight underneath. Full toss, and he's missed it.
I want to tell you, this is frightening for a batsman. I mean, you know, we're talking something not far off 100 miles an hour here.
Deep gully. Bowled, but there's just no way that the tail end can play those sort of deliveries. 80. You know, it's not just the pace or the dart.
और ये वही इन स्विंगर था वकार यूनिस का स्विंगिंग यॉर्कर और बोल कर दिया हाथुरा सिंह को इस बॉल को और बड़ा अच्छा गेम था ये और इससे पहले इसमें वकार यूनिस की अकरमंदी भी शामिल है
My word, this in-swinging Yorker, it really is a killer delivery. And what has that done? Straight as an arrow for the first two-thirds, and then the in-swing, and at the pace that's bowled at, makes it very difficult for the new batsman to keep out. Oh, that in-swinging Yorker again, he's got him. What a spell of bowling from Waqar Younis, and he's got England in all sorts of trouble. On for 6. Well, Waqar Younis did all the things he wanted to do, except get it absolutely straight.
Oh, what a good delivery. That's an indication of his pace. Not that Waqar Younis.
Yes, Ian, you summed it up beautifully. A man's been there for a long, long time. It's gone. That one's through, no doubt about that. What
Terms. And movement. That came back beautifully. It started to come back in the air.
bit off to fine leg. Knocks him over. Superb spell of bowling. Straight it off stump. That's the end of the junior for 22.
Pain from the previous delivery or not, we'll never know. But this ball cuts back very sharply.
It is up. Bowled it. Spectacular.
Again off the shorter run up, three-quarter. Well, it was just dead straight. It didn't really do too much. Maybe a bit of an angle in.
Sponsor the batter.
Bowled him. Clean bowl.
To hit the base of leg stump, sneak under the bat. And look at that for accuracy. Leg stump goes cartwheeling back towards the...
Out! Inside edge, I think, and then destroys the stumps.
When Waqar disturbed the castle of Andrew Hudson, 51 for 1 of 7.5.
Bowled, hit the off stump. Dave Callaghan out, first ball, trying an ambitious.
The Waqar Younis in swinger does it again.
Well, it was a magnificent delivery.
Hold him! Yet another one of those fantastic express deliveries from Waqar Younis. Absolute humdinger. Hold him! Off stump, laid back, flat on the ground. Waqar Younis.
Revolving ball his victim.
Playing completely down the wrong line. Wonderful revenge.
Waqar to Donald, the last ball bowled him, and Pakistan have won.
Yes, they've won in magnificent.
Got him over, beautifully bowled, straight and full, and there goes the stumps. The crowd love it, and so does Waqar Younis and the Pakistan. He's always straight, he's always full. Just short of a good length, and stump vision shows you the Kirtley Ambrose never went.
Well, that's the perfect reply. The one that comes back in. His sixth, one big blast from Brett Lee. Keeps his nerve, Waqar. Big in swinging Yorker, full length. That's where he bowled. Full length.